Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have a shop with me at Dollar Tree and a haul. Come on with me, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Budget Friendly Shop With Me and Haul. And let me tell you who's hosting. So we have the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, At Home with Lisa, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. So we have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. So we have Being Mel B, Design with Emma, Decorate with Us, Debbie Bubbles, Cozy at Coco's, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Coastal Diva. Now always remember that as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I walk you through the seasonal decor at the Dollar Tree. So I think the Dollar Tree outdid themselves this year. They came out with some amazing fall decor, and I am loving it. I'm gonna see you at the haul. So this is the haul to the shop with me that I did. So let me just show you these 2 bags of what I got. Okay, so apparently the Dollar Tree was carrying this glassware. Look how beautiful that is. I'm loving it. And I didn't see it. So I heard someone say that. I grabbed 4 just because I like the thickness of the glass. And I just love that pattern, guys. So I grabbed 4 of these. It's only my son and I, so grab 4 of those. All right, so then I grabbed from the party section 1 of these. This was not the bucket originally that I wanted to get because I wanted for a specific collaboration that I'm having this month. But this is so nice. This is fine. This is actually just fine. So I grabbed 1 of those. Now the Dollar Tree, look how beautiful the Dollar Tree is carrying these kind of pumpkins. Actually, let me show you the 3 that I got. So we got this shape, we got the regular pumpkin, we got this shape, and then this one. Aren't they gorgeous? I cannot wait to decorate with these. So I'm gonna place them back in the bag, guys. But if you see these, grab them. They are gorgeous. I cannot wait to decorate with them. Then they had the rolling pin signs. I grabbed the one that says welcome. I'm not really sure what other colors they had. I do know they had more than 1 color, multiple colors, and these are great for tier trays. So I grabbed the welcome. And yeah, I can't really remember what other ones they had. I think they had like 3 or 4 different patterns. Then I grabbed the grateful maple leaf. I love that. The faux leather that says grateful with the 2 nails on the end. Beautiful. So like I said, I needed some tier tray items. Now I did grab more than what I'm showing you here. But in these 2 bags, this is what I have. So this is the candy corn, guys. And either I bought it last year at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. They were slightly bigger, but they did not cost $1.25. This is a great find. Okay, so right now I can only show you 2 because these are the 2 bags that I'm working with. So I grabbed quite a bit of these. And then the same thing with the pumpkins. Look at this, the candy corn. I am loving the candy corn theme. It's so fun. And these again, I either purchased it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. These were a great find for $1.25 each. And if I'm not mistaken, they did have 3, they did have 3 different colors. I'm not really sure. I just grabbed the candy corn one. And so, like I said, I grabbed a lot of these, most of these. I can't even say the number that I got. But I have 2 of the candy corn and 2 of the pumpkin, so I'll put these back in the bag here. I'm not really sure what bags they're in, and I have quite a bit of bags. But we're gonna work with these. So the Dollar Tree carried the matte finish chargers. All right, and then I just decided to grab another 2 because I want to do periodically tablescapes for 4. And so I just grabbed another 2, and the matte finish, you just cannot go wrong with the matte finish, guys. I love it. So I grabbed 2 of those. And then for DIY purposes, now that Christmas, Christmas is not that far away. I grabbed 2 of these, the cone styrofoam. So I grabbed 2 of those for some projects. And then this is what I use to glue my projects together. I don't have any accidents at all. I have had them with the Fix-All adhesive. Now maybe I didn't leave it sit long enough, but honestly, I know I leave my projects that I glue, I just forget about them for a couple of days. So I find this one holds better. That's just in my opinion, guys. So if you see this, grab it and try it and see what you guys think. All right, so the Dollar Tree is carrying these absolutely gorgeous, they are absolutely gorgeous boxes. I don't know, I can't get to it because of my nails. Let's see. Oh, here it is. All right. So isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. Looks like bamboo. And it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous, you know, place to store stuff. And they did have it in multiple different styles. So I grabbed 2. All right, so I grabbed this one. And then I grabbed this color. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Also, they did have multiple patterns, I should say, and also different shapes. So I got 2, and Matthew already grabbed his. So my son already grabbed his. So I'm loving this color. I'm loving them both. All of the patterns, you cannot go wrong. They are gorgeous. So this is really beautiful. And then here's the other shape. I know, let me see. So I think there's this shape and that one. It might have possibly been more, but people were grabbing them left and right. And I absolutely love it. So I grabbed one of those. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying these plates in blue and white. Okay, well now they have them in the gray and white. These are the salad plates because I already had the dinner plates. So now I have the set. So if you guys see these, grab these. They seem to be neutral enough that you can use them all year round, depending on how you style them, and I love them. Like I said, these are the salad plates. I already have the dinner plates, and I just may go back and get 2 more of each because I'm gonna see if I can start doing a little bit more tablescapes in 4 for 4. I've always done them in 2 or 1. Once in a while, I would love to do 1 for 4 people. So that's why I got this. Place right there. And then I got my pumpkin. So I gravitate to the green, guys. So I didn't see the beige. The beige was gone. The orange was there, but like I said, I'm just loving this green. So most of the time you'd have to DIY something like this. And to have it ready for $1.25, I really don't think that you can beat that. By the time you buy all the material to put this together, I think you'd be going over $1.25. So I love this. So that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. I had a great time shopping. That's all I do is shop and film everywhere. I had such a good time. And to go into the Dollar Tree and find these great finds, amazing, just totally amazing. If you go into the Dollar Tree and you see them, grab them, guys, because somewhere else you will see them and they will cost a lot more money. I had a great time in this collaboration. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.